4:30 in the morning. And we're going on a photo adventure. Oh my god. Oh. Let's fast forward. It's 5 a.m. The dawn is here. We're trying a new mic placement today because last time I noticed you could hear my breathing a lot. I was kind of whistling with my nose. With my nose. It's 5 a.m. so give me a break. Water, camera. Actually with microphone today because wildlife also makes sound. 5:30 in the morning. I am never up driving this early, so I never get to see the light from this angle, like in my life, pretty much. A few minutes ago I drove closer to like the city, and all the windows on one side, like the left side of me, were like glowing from this light. I took this picture of this building. It's actually a hospital building. I kind of have to turn around because I saw the most insane view back there. I have to photograph that. Can you see this? I don't even know how to capture it. Like the feeling, it's an amazing feeling. And also, I don't know, I'm gonna have to, like the moon is over there, it's so bright. It's not very large, but it's bright as heck. Car is over here. Looks like a nice car. All right, let's get to location. Let's take a moonshot, or let's try at least. Oh, we're gonna manage this. Yeah, maybe. Let's keep going. We're not actually there yet. It's not very far, I don't think. Oh, a rabbit. Just outside someone's home here, but I don't really see any cars or anything. Let's get that little guy. Yeah, it's a rabbit. So they want us to park here. We can't park here and then walk. I'm not sure what to do. How am I supposed to get there? I'm really not sure what to do right now. Well, this took a turn for the worse, I guess. I have no idea how to get where I was thinking of going. It's actually a bit chilly today. Oh, there's a deer over there. Oh, I'm gonna go down here, then I could get an even better angle actually. My friend taught me to never like turn off the engine because then they react to the like silence and stuff. Oh, he's standing in the sun. Can't hear it right now, but I'm taking many photos. I have this, it's called a silent shutter. Let me get a video of him. Did he just... Oh no, he's going away now. And there's one of them standing still. You know, deer, they scare very easily. And I think the wind is not to my favor today, so it's quite possible they smelled me. Now they're running into the forest. They seem to be a little unsure. Let's see if we can find them again. There he is. One of them. It's a she. But they're very far away. It's this constant balance between getting close enough to take a nice picture or get some video and scaring the wildlife. You don't really want to scare them and make them anxious or worried. It can affect them negatively. Oh man, there's gonna be so much footage for me to go through from just driving around like this and talking, and I'm gonna have to edit so much of it out because I don't want this to be the video. I want it to be me walking around. Oh yeah! Yeah, I ruined the car. Yeah, that's probably the exhaust pipe, but that's alright. We found our way to this nature reserve, so I have driven quite far into the forest now. I've never been here before. There's like this sign, so it's called Skortaryd. Where I'm from, we would say Skåtaryd, but I don't think that's how it's pronounced here. Yeah, and on this little piece of art, there's an owl, there's a ferret, I think, and a hackspett. We have the same setup we did in the last video. This is the Sony A6700 and this is the Sony 200 to 600 millimeter lens. What's new today though is this cover, this camouflage cover. I actually got this just the past week. It's an early birthday gift from my girlfriend. So I'm very happy with this. I've been looking at this ever since I got this lens, but I just thought it was too expensive. As you can see, I also have this very fluffy thing on top of the camera, and that's a microphone. It's the RØDE Videomic Pro, I think it's called. I'm not sure we're going to see anything today because just like last time, I am constantly talking. Yeah, so it is a bit chilly today. I think my phone said it was like 12 or 13 degrees Celsius, which I have no idea what it is in Fahrenheit, so let's never speak about temperature again. I can hear a woodpecker. But it's quite far away. No, not that far away. Okay, so there's a woodpecker. Either it's in this tree closest to me, or it's in the one behind. I think it's in the one behind. Yeah, I can see him from here. All the way up there. Let's see. Let me try to get a video of him. Need some stabilization, so that's why I'm putting the camera, or the lens really, on my knees. Let's see, where is the tree even? It's over there. See that little guy? Feels like it's quite hard to get good video footage without a tripod. There he flew away. I like woodpeckers. They are quite common, but still different enough. You know, they're doing their thing. Not every bird has such a distinct thing. Now I don't know what's happening, because now it's two different paths. Let's take the left one. It's one of those hunting towers where hunters sit and wait for something to shoot with their toys. I think my toy is a bit kinder to the subjects I'm shooting than the hunter's toys. I know we already got the woodpecker, but today I really feel like I need some wildlife. You already see the landscapes through this one, and I do through my eyes. Oh, just scared a bird. Oh, it's sitting in the tree. Oh, I can see him. Really good here. Oh my goodness. Please stay where you are. Oh, there he is. No. We got a bird, yes. Thank you, bird. I don't know if you can see it, but oh, that was a bird. The moon looks really nice between those trees right there. Let's see if I can get it one more time. Oh my god, it's a wren. It's my favorite bird. It flew away. Not that, that's not a wren over there, but where did the wren go? Come back. I could sit in the hunting tower. Maybe I'll do that actually. Let's just get in here and worry about other stuff later. Alright. What kind of bird is that? My girlfriend would know, but she's not here. Oh, oh my god. That's that bird making that sound. Let's make a video of him. He's already gone. No, he's on that tree now. No, it's over there. Come on, oh yeah, there he is. I know the name of this bird in Swedish. It's spillkråka. Don't know what it's called in English, but let's put that on the screen right now. Wow, I saw it when it flew down from a tree in the forest out more into the open, and it was so big first. I didn't know what to think. I was like, oh my god, that's a big bird. I never actually seen one of those before. I've just heard them a lot. So that's really cool. Wow, I'm happy I got that footage. He's back. He's back. He's back. He's back. He's behaving like a woodpecker a bit. Don't feel so stable. I'd like to be more stable. Oh, flew away. Hear him, but I can't see him. Oh, I wish the wren would come back. It's such a cool bird. It's got its little tail. It's whipping it back and forth, up and down. Oh my god, that's the wren. I can see the wren. It's on that rock. No, he flew away. I was just pointing at the rock. Oh, he's in the ground. Is that the wren? Did you see that bird? Right in the middle of the screen. She's just sitting there. Can I take a picture too? I don't need 800, maybe 250. Let's zoom in and see if it is the... It's the wren. It's the mother flunking wren. I don't have any good pictures of a wren, and I really like it. I wonder what he's thinking about. Oh my goodness, it's so close. No, that's a pigeon. That sound. That's not... Yeah. It's specifically that pigeon. I found a tree. We got this guy again. That was super high ISO. I was gonna explain that number to you before, and then I got sidetracked. Maybe it's time to get moving. Oh, it's a woodpecker again. High up in the tree. It's very hard to keep the camera in a good way. I mean to hold the camera. Oh. I think I need to move a bit. I get stiff when I'm still for too long. Alright, so that was peaceful, calm and fun, I think. There's lots of different birds here compared to how much I saw when I was out last time when I made the first video. I have seen a lot more stuff today, like different kinds of birds and even the deer in the beginning. But it feels like it's not happening so much for you guys. So I think we need to like switch up the energy a bit. getting louder. I've just been whispering and like, oh, it's a bird over there and stuff like that. But I also want to, I don't just want to document this. I also want it to be like entertaining or interesting in some way. So let's make that happen together. Maybe there's not so much left of this video, but let's keep going for a bit. Let's put you back there. Last video you got to see me, not just my point of view but also me, and I think like switching it up a bit like that makes it more fun to watch. It would be nice with a squirrel. Squirrel. Hard to pronounce. A squirrel. A squirrel. Is that like a piece of salt on top of that stump or whatever? Yeah. I think that's... No. Is it? I know when I was a child we had horses, and yeah, this is a piece of salt for wild animals to lick to get some salt, because they need salt just like we do. It's quite high though. I wonder how long that's been there. Anyway, let's keep going. Now that big thing is over here again. Oh gosh. But he's real close. He's closer than he was before. He's on the wrong side. No, he's right there. He's wondering about me. It's really nice with the light. So I guess this is the kind of road you have to take if you want to go to that place I originally wanted to go to. What's funny is I'm actually kind of going... Yeah. Like look, this here, which says Lilla Björnamo, this is where my GPS wanted me to park in the morning and go to the right into the forest here. And right now we're just a few hundred meters like above it. And then I was gonna go like around down here to these small water areas. So it's actually like this path, I guess. You know what? Let's keep that in mind for next time. Because I think we're kind of not done, because we're gonna head back to the car and it takes a few minutes, but I'll have to remember this for next time, that if I park the car over there, I walk this path here and then continue down there, probably, I will get to that place I originally intended to go. That's nice. That's a good lesson for today. I felt a little bit put down there in the morning when I was driving around, realizing there was nowhere to put the car and it was just like private property everywhere. But then we found our way here and it turned out pretty good. Oh, it's the woodpecker. Now he's in that tree. It's like that. Do you remember that selfie stick I had in the last video? Well, I have that today too. I could really go for a banana right now. Like if I'm gonna talk to you, I might as well look at you. I think we have all we need for today, actually. I feel like I got my little adventure. It's like 8:30 right now, so I'm gonna just head back to the car. I said before that I slept for like 4 hours tonight, so I need to go back home and take a nap. And then finally I can have some coffee when I wake up later today. But this was a fun little adventure today. It feels so good, like I'm imagining what if I do this every couple of weeks and actually get out, go on a little adventure to a new place and make a video of it every time. This would be really cool. So just like last time, if you liked this or if you thought it was interesting in some way, please leave a comment. That would make my day. It's so easy to just keep blabbering, but thank you for watching today, and as all YouTubers, I would also appreciate if you liked the video, and if you want to see more of this, please subscribe, because there's gonna be more of this. I feel it in my bones.